My name is Michelle Scamine, and I'm Vice President of Insum. Insum is the largest consulting firm specializing in Oracle Apex, and we have offices in Canada, the United States, and Peru. We have an internationally recognized team of experts, and we develop custom applications to our broad client base in both the public and private sectors across a wide range of industries, including finance, health, and education. We also have a number of Fortune 500 clients. Today, I wanted to tell you about some of the work we did with the Texas Racing Commission. The Texas Racing Commission is a state government agency that regulates all aspects of the pari-mutuel horse and greyhound racing industry in Texas. It ensures racing safety, integrity, and fairness. It monitors racing-related activities, issues licenses, and has the power to enforce rules and regulations. Now, the agency had been using an Oracle database for a number of years. It had custom-built Oracle Forms and Reports applications that it used to track participants, licenses, violations, animals, and animal health. It also served many administrative functions as well, including inventory, service requests, and mail logs. Now, after a number of years, the Commission really needed a certain number of updates to the system in order to really be able to fulfill its role as industry regulator. They needed functionality that was outside the scope of the original legacy applications that they built. Among others, they needed to automate some time-consuming manual processes. They needed to reduce clutter and simplify navigation. It needed to be more user-friendly. Users needed to be able to view all records related to an animal, licensee, or race in a single place. They needed to be able to more quickly and easily evaluate test results and injuries. And they also needed to improve the application's security. So we worked with the Texas Racing Commission, and this resulted in a suite of 15 interrelated applications that vastly improved the performance and efficiency for users across several areas. We developed powerful dashboards that leveraged interactive reports and Oracle Jet visualizations. This gave users a one-stop access to the animal records that they needed. This significantly reduced clicks, simplified navigation, and immediately highlighted exceptions. Oracle reports were replaced by interactive reports throughout. So these new reports not only reduced clicks and simplified navigation, but users were able to create and modify reports as they needed without needing to involve IT. This was a huge cost and time savings. We also automated a number of manual processes, just improving operational efficiency all around. Now, why Oracle Apex? Well, the existing applications were already running on Oracle Forms. Oracle Apex was selected as a modernization tool because this allowed us to leverage the existing infrastructure, data model, and even reuse a lot of the code. Apex's powerful interactive reports and Oracle Jet integration were really key to its selection, since data mining, reporting, and dashboarding were really key components of this solution. Finally, the low-code declarative framework of Apex meant that we were able to deliver a beautiful, full suite of applications, modern, responsive applications in 50% less time, therefore 50% lower cost than the original work done on the legacy applications. So I was asked to provide 3 tips. Since we're talking about modernizing legacy applications, I would say that when you are modernizing legacy applications, don't simply recreate existing screens. Make sure that you understand web design paradigms and you're using this as an opportunity to create more efficient and streamlined applications that your users will love. Tip 2, interactive reports, when designed correctly, can often really greatly simplify applications. A single report often meets the needs of many users and many needs, since they can customize them as required. So make sure that you leverage the power of interactive reports. Tip 3, Oracle Apex also comes with Oracle Jet, This allows you to easily build beautiful and powerful visualizations without needing to purchase any third-party tools. So make sure you leverage this tool to empower your users to make better business decisions. Thank you so much for listening today. For more information or to connect with us, visit us online at www.insum.ca.